Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by reducing risk. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 5 to 10 minutes so airbag systems depower. Once done, remove the glove box and any nearby trim pieces. Locate and extract visible screws and Torx bolts. Use a plastic trim tool to pry off lower kick panels and unsnap retaining clips. This grants access to hidden fasteners. Make sure to keep screws organized by location. That prevents confusion during reassembly and speeds the entire process. Next, focus on central assemblies. Remove the stereo, HVAC controls, and instrument bezel by releasing clips and unplugging connectors. Label each plug to avoid mistakes. Once accessible, remove structural bolts behind vents and brace the dash from beneath so it doesn't tilt or tear airbag wiring. Carefully unclip wiring harnesses, disconnect airbag connectors after confirming power is off, and detach any heater or vent hoses. Take your time here. These are the complex middle steps where mistakes cause the most trouble. To finish, have a helper lift the dash forward evenly while you watch for hidden clips or wiring under tension. Small catches can rip connectors or hoses. Once free, lay the dash on a padded surface and inspect harnesses, clips, and mounting points for damage. Before reinstalling, repair or reconnect any damaged wiring, then reconnect the battery and test electronics, HVAC, and airbag indicators. If an airbag light stays on, recheck connectors and ground points. A scan tool will reveal fault codes for targeted troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.